Hello everyone, I hope y'all are having a great day. This is my Dyson dc18 and I'm going to show y'all how to fit a new motor into it. This is the old motor. You can obviously see it's done, it's burnt out. And this is the new motor, big difference. And I'm going to show y'all how you install the motor. Now, first there's going to be these little wires right here, so we obviously have to put the motor in. Now this thing right here pretty much only goes in one way, so you should be alright in putting that in. Alright, now that we pop the wires in, we can use this to help guide it back in. So there's only one way for this to actually go. So yeah, I think it goes that way. Well, no, that's not right. Oh no, did I do that wiring wrong? Oh, please stand by. Alright, now that we have the motor in properly, we can take our, let me see, I think it's our Torx screwdriver and put the 3 screws in. Alright, now that the screws are in, we're going to plug it in to see if it works. Let me just see if it turns on. Perfect, it turns on. So now we can finish the process by putting this piece in. And I think it goes in, if I'm not mistaken, there's a way you line this up, and it does go in. It goes in this way, so with the grooves facing down, and then we're just gonna have to give it a slight push. Obviously, unplug the vacuum. Yeah, you gotta give it just a little push, just... Okay, now that that's in, there are 4 more screws that we have to put in, so if you just line them up, you should be okay. So just screw them in, and yeah. Now that you have placed all 4 screws in, you're nearly done. Now all you have to do is fit in your HEPA filter. Key tip, you should probably replace this filter. If you're changing the motor, might as well change this too. It's very essential for running. And how you put it back in, so you line that area in the back. Once you're done with that, you are down to your last 2 screws. So you're going to take your cord hook, and you're pretty much just going to, well, you have to actually remove the wand first. And once you've done that, you are golden. You can pretty much just put this piece, you just push it in. And then you put in your 2 screws, and you're done. After you've placed the 2 screws into their homes, one there, you put the wand back on. Oh. and fit your bin back on. And you should probably turn it on to make sure that the motor change went well, which is what I'm going to do right here. Let's see if I did it correctly. There we go. That is how you change the motor out on a Dyson dc18 Slim. I hope this video helps. If so, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Until then, have a great day.